Hello all, welcome to C programming. In this video we will understand how to use pointer to display the variable address of array. For that let's use code blocks. Now you know that a pointer is a variable that stores the address of another variable. So here we are going to store and print the variable addresses of the array element. So let's start with an new file. So it is also called as a passing an array to a pointer. First of all, we'll start with the hash include stdio.h, and then this is the header file, and then this we are going to start with the integer main function. Now for that, first of all we'll declare one pointer. So we will declare an integer pointer. So integer and then asterisk sign and then p. So this is the way we can declare a pointer. Now then we'll declare our array. So integer we can declare our array as arr, and we would like to declare array of 5 elements, and then inside that I'm going to put a values as 11, 22, 44, 55 and 66. So these are my array elements. I have declared an array integer arr of size 5 and I have declared the array element. Now we are going to assign the address of array to the pointer by doing one instruction like p equals to ampersand arr, and inside that we are going to put 0th element. Now because array name represents the address of the first element, that's why we have used like this way. Then we are going to use a for loop for iteration. For integer I equals to 0, then comma, again we will provide integer must be less than equal to 5 as our maximum capacity is 5, and then I plus plus. So inside that for loop what we are going to write down is we are going to write down a printf statement. What I am going to print is we are going to print each and every address of the array element by using the pointer variable. So printf, we will write down a printf statement in a such a way that arr in bracket %d, that means our array is colon value of, let's get %d, and address, that means value of the element and its address. It will require like this way, address is %p. So value will be in a %d, address will be in %p/n, because %p is a format specifier for displaying address in a hex format. So %p/n, then complete this colon, and then we are going to give comma I, comma asterisk p and p. So in all, printer will store this value, and this here asterisk p and simple p is nothing but for the value of the array element and the address of the array element. So here we are doing this for each and every array element. We have to show the address. That's why we are going to use p plus plus. That means we are going to increment the p for each and every iteration till it encounters this condition, and then a return statement as we have used integer main function. So this way we have declared one array and a one pointer here, and we have used a for loop to print the address of each and every array element by using a pointer. So we are going to save this file as array pointer.c, and after that we will build this file. So here what we can say is semicolon must be there for each and every printf statement. So if I am clicking, so as you can see, if I am running this, the array 0th element, that means the value of 11's address is nothing but this. This is in the hex format. For each and every, that is 11, 22, 45, 44, 55, 66, all those array elements are get stored at a particular address. That address you could get by using such a pointer, and then we can print the same. Let's build and run it again. As you can see, for each and every array element we have got the address line here. This way you can also print the address of array elements by using pointers. Thank you.